Welcome to Conservation X Labs' garage, home of the DC-based engineering team. My name is Henrik, and today we're going to be walking through technologies used in conservation, the prototyping cycle, and what you need to think about to get started on building your idea today. We're seeing a trend of technologies that you typically think of in a commercial scenario being applied to conservation issues. Genetic barcoding, artificial intelligence, smart devices, advanced manufacture, and other tech on the cutting edge are being used to combat poaching and illegal wildlife trafficking, spot endangered and invasive species in remote locations, and wire our oceans and forests to the point where one day all of our products and technologies will work with our environment and not against it. So let's talk about getting started on building your technology, product, or solution. The most crucial step is understanding what the problem you're trying to solve is and having first-hand experience to back up why this is an issue. Ask yourself, have I spoken to enough people who are experiencing these issues? How much of a problem is it? How frequent? And what is the cost financially or environmentally of not addressing it? When you think you have an answer, you start building. But you don't spend the next few years trying to build the next shiny product that works perfectly right out of the box. Your first few prototypes should be fast, scrappy mock-ups that are designed to test your concept. Your priority is to get something into the hands of those who are facing the issue you're trying to address. Which brings us to the next stage of the cycle, testing. When testing your prototype, you want to have two things at the front of your mind. Am I fixing the issue I'm trying to solve? Am I even trying to solve the correct issue? It's expected that you won't identify the root cause of the problem on your first try. You may be building something that is a temporary fix, rather than a permanent solution to the underlying issue. The answer to this is to get as much feedback for these two questions as you can before you cycle back to the problem you're trying to solve and adjust it according to your test results. From there, iterate your prototype to fix the adjusted problem statement and test again. There really is no limit to the number of times you have to go through this cycle before you create something valuable that fixes a genuine issue many experience. The more you repeat this cycle, the more you learn from potential users and customers, your prototypes become more advanced, and your skills develop along the way. This mindset is a lean business mindset and is becoming more and more common in the conservation space to spark greater innovation and entrepreneurship into this field. Get involved in projects above all else. I don't think there's a better way to learn and build on your skills and figure out what you love to do than getting your hands dirty on building something, getting involved with a project, and if it fails, if it crashes and burns, treat that as a learning opportunity and figure out the next thing.